Hi guys, surprise! They're getting a video on a Sunday. I'm holding down my hair because my hair is messy. It's a hot mess. It's
video on a Sunday?
A video on a Sunday.
It have to be a surprise. It have to be special.
Special, very special. Huge announcement, you guys. So many of you has been sending me email, sending me messages, reaching out on Facebook, reaching out on Instagram, wanting to send baby D gifts. However, it is not easy for you guys to send us gifts if you're in the USA because we're all the way in France, and it's not easy for you guys in the USA to order from Amazon France because it's in French. So we came up with an idea, with a solution, and we decided to go with Amazon UK, which some of you have been ordering from already. So we made an Amazon UK registry with some items that is very reasonable for you guys. Bear in mind, I already told you guys that you guys really don't have to do this, but you guys insist on wanting to send her gift. Why my hand action? So I finally decided to create it, and I know you guys will be happy to send baby girl gifts. So you guys can go ahead and order anything that you guys want to send us. When you go on the list, the link will be down below in the comment section and in the description box. So you guys can just click on it and it takes you directly to our list, and you guys can go through and see what you guys would wish to send us. And send us whatever you like from the list. So that's the announcement, you guys. We officially have a baby registry, and since we're not gonna have any baby shower and none of that stuff, so I think it's pretty ideal for you guys to just go ahead and do that. So yeah, that's the little surprise that you guys getting on this Sunday. And of course we'll see you guys tomorrow in our usual vlog. He's just so quiet. What you have to say?
Me, thank you everybody.
Yeah, that's what you have to say. Thank you guys. And of course Stella is off to bed, so you guys getting this video very late because I actually just finished creating the baby registry. So here's the girl. There she is, chilling, poking baby D, saying thanks to everybody who is going to order her stuff. So see you guys in tomorrow's vlog, and go and enjoy your little list of, it's nothing much really, it's just mainly clothes and small items. So go and enjoy your list and send us whatever you wish, whatever it is. We're thankful, we're grateful, we're humbled, and we love every single one of you. Thank you guys for all the love, all the support. Catch up and keep up, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and we'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog.